Namaskar. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Meteorological Centre Gangtok. I am R.K. Chhetri and I will be presenting weekly weather review and weather forecast for the next 2 weeks over Sikkim state. So outline is as follows. Advance of southwest monsoon and important synoptic situation observed during last week. Realized rainfall distribution over Sikkim. Realized district-wise average rainfall in millimeters. Realized weather, that is maximum temperature, minimum temperature and rainfall over various stations. Realized daily maximum temperature graph over Gangtok, Tadong and Pakyong. Weather forecast for next 2 weeks and weather forecast bulletin for Sikkim. Important synoptic situation. Monsoon watch. Southwest monsoon was active over the state during most of the days during last week. Position of the monsoon trough. On 28th July, the monsoon trough ran through Ganganagar, Naraul, Aligarh, Kanpur, Daltonganj, Behrampur and Imphal across Bangladesh and Silchar, through Ferozpur, Rohtak, Shahjahanpur, Patna, Sriniketan and Mizoram across Bangladesh on 29th, through Ferozpur, Rohtak, Meerut, Gorakhpur, Muzaffarpur, Balurghat, Bangladesh, Agartala and thence eastwards to Northeast Bay of Bengal on 30th July 2022. On 31st July, the eastern end of the monsoon trough ran close to the foothills of the Himalayas and the western end passed through Ferozpur, Rohtak and Baraj. On 1st August, the monsoon trough ran through Amritsar, Karnal, Bareilly, Baraj and thence eastwards along the foothills of the Himalayas, but on 2nd, the monsoon trough shifted southwards and ran through Amritsar, Chandigarh, Shahjahanpur, Barabanki, Daltonganj, Digha and thence east-southeastwards to Northeast Bay of Bengal. The trough ran through Amritsar, Chandigarh, Bareilly, Fursadganj, Varanasi, Daltonganj, Balasore and thence east-southeastwards to Northeast Bay of Bengal on 3rd August. Significant synoptic situations. On 30th July, there was a cyclonic circulation over northeast UP and neighborhood between 0.9 kilometers and 1.5 kilometers above mean sea level, which became less marked on the next day. On 1st August, there was an upper air trough in middle tropospheric westerlies with its axis at 5.8 kilometers above mean sea level, roughly along longitude 72 degrees east to the north of latitude 30 degrees north, which moved away east-northeastwards on the 2nd. Next we have 3 UTC surface chart, that is a surface chart drawn at 8:30 this morning. Next 0 UTC upper air chart part 1, that is upper air chart part 1. It was drawn at 5:30 this morning. Next upper air chart part 2 for today. Next we have satellite picture for today, that is 4th August 2022. Next we have minimum temperature 24 hours change. Next maximum temperature 24 hours change. Next we have realized rainfall distribution over Sikkim from 28th July to 3rd August for state as a whole and for all 6 districts, that is Mangan, Gangtok, Pakyong, Gizing, Soreng and Namchi. So we can see from the table, rainfall occurred at most places throughout the week. Next we have realized district-wise average rainfall in millimeters from 28th July to 3rd August for Mangan, Gangtok, Pakyong, Gizing, Soreng and Namchi. Next we have realized weather over various important locations, Gangtok, Tadong, Pakyong, Mangan, Gizing and Namthang. We have given mean maximum temperature, that is average temperature, mean minimum temperature, weekly rainfall, that is total rainfall occurred during the week, and heavy rainfall event. So at Mangan there were 2 heavy rainfall events on 31st August and 31st July and 1st August. And at Gizing 86.2, that is heavy rainfall, was recorded on 2nd of August. Next we have realized daily maximum temperature in degrees Celsius over Gangtok, Tadong and Pakyong in graphical form. Next we have weather forecast for the next 2 weeks, that is from 1st August to 11th August and from 12th August to 18th August. So for the first week, rainfall, maximum temperature and minimum temperature are all expected to remain normal, and in week 2 also all the parameters will remain normal. Next we have weather forecast for Sikkim for the next 5 days for Gangtok, Gizing, Mangan, Namchi, Pakyong and Soing. So rain or thunder showers are likely to occur at most places on almost throughout the week. Next we have weather warning for Sikkim for the next 5 days. So weather warning is nil. So thank you so much for watching.